Welcome to PDAC 2023. My name is Julian DeRosier from the IIF. I am joined here today by Sophy. Hi, Sophy. How are you doing?
Hi, Julian. I'm doing great.
Good. So, Sophy, could you first of all introduce yourself and the company you're working for?
Yes, of course. I'm Sophy Cesar. I'm head of corporate development for Canadian North Resources. Canadian North Resources is an advanced stage exploration company located in Nunavut in northern Canada. We're exploring for green energy metals, so primarily copper, nickel, cobalt, and the PGM groups, platinum and palladium.
Well, this is great. So in Nordic territory, it's quite big. There's a lot of space there. In which district are you exactly, and is it a proven district for what you're searching for?
It is actually a proven district. So we're in the Kilovac area. Association area, and it's a proven district. We have some of our neighbors in the area are Agnico Eagle, Glencore, so we have some big players in the area, Julian.
Well, this is very reassuring for everyone that's looking right now. And then for everyone who doesn't know your company, what happened in the last 12 months? Because you give us a little wrap-up of the past.
I would love to. It's actually been a very, very exciting 12 months. We listed in April of 2022, and since then, we've actually we've taken a previous historical 43101 and we've actually updated it. So the previous one did not take into account the PGM group, and we were able to actually prove that out and make it economical and show that there's a possibility for an open pit mine. So that was very exciting.
Well, for sure, and that also changed possible economics on the projects.
Exactly.
And so on. PGM groups are a very highly sought for. Prices are extremely high right now, so all good news.
Very good news.
And so what are you looking forward for the next 12 months? What are the milestones you guys want to accomplish?
Well, we've been very aggressive with our drilling program. I didn't mention it, but last year we did over 18,000 meters, and now this year we have another 20,000 meters planned. So what we're hoping to do is we're hoping to take the last 3 years of drilling that we've done, that Canadian North has done, and we're hoping to update the 431 further to take the 47 million tons indicated into inferred to give us over 70 million tons of indicated. And then what we want to do is we want to move to a pre-feasibility study within the next 12 months.
Well, this is good to hear, but is it easy to drill up there? Can you drill all year long? How does it work?
Well, now you've asked me my favorite question. So our property actually has over $160 million in infrastructure already in the property, infrastructure, metallurgy, and exploration. So we actually have a 55-person camp that can house 3 drill crews and a geo team. There are 2 generators on site, a satellite network, a runway. We actually have all the heavy equipment on site, and we're actually going to, as of this year, have 4 drills on site that we own. So it facilitates the drilling.
Well, this is awesome. Seems like a place I would like to visit and maybe stay for vacation or something.
It is.
And so for let's look a bit at something else that's very important out there for possible investors or your current shareholder. Can you describe the share structure? How does it look? How the dilution and so on?
Yes, of course. So our share structure is very unique in that there is 105 million shares outstanding, but out of that, there's about only 27 million that are free trading. Our management team, the rest are restricted in an escrow. Yep. They come out 15% every 6 months. The insiders own about 65% of the company, and they participate in every financing that we do.
Well, this is surely very unique, both in the way of the release of the escrow, both in the 65% skin in the game, which investors always very love. So, but does that mean that you're restricted on cash on hand? What's your cash position right now?
Well, our cash position is actually very good. We went public with $22 million, and then again in Q4 of 2022, we raised just under $10 million in charity flow-through and regular flow-through. Yep. So we're in a good cash position.
Well, this is great to hear. So for everyone who wants to know more about your company, follow the story, obviously gets on the newsletter, where they can do that?
So they can go to cnrresources.com, and they'll be able to get the information there and just sign up for our newsletters.
Perfect. And lastly, what are your trading letters and where are you trading right now?
So we trade on the TSX Venture under the ticker CNRI, and we trade on the Frankfurt Exchange under EO0.
All right, good. Thank you very much. Well, so this is an exciting project for sure. Exciting. I would be very happy to visit up there. It sounds great. I think your share structure talk a lot about the seriousness and the commitment of your management to the project, and we'll be very excited to follow the next 12 months.
Well, thank you very much, Julian. It's going to be a good, exciting
Yeah, for sure. Okay. All right.